you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove blackheads and remove whiteheads. Alright, let me tell you guys, the thing is that when you have blackheads and whiteheads on your face, most likely at your T-zone area, from your nose and this other side, it's not going to make your skin flawless and smooth and evenly toned. It's just going to give you this very oily skin and all of that. Okay, so this treatment is just going to help you scrub out all of those stuff going on in your pores, and it's just going to unclog your pores, leaving your skin smooth and flawless. Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of my blackheads treatment, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please drop your questions on my website. Alright, and without further ado, let's dive into this video. The very first ingredient we're going to be needing for the blackheads removal treatment would be yogurt. Now this is an unsweetened yogurt. It's actually very thick, okay, right now. Okay, alright, so yogurt is great for the skin because it helps to tighten up the skin. It also helps to remove large and open pores. It is great in removal of blackheads, and it's also great for acne. Alright, using yogurt on your face would evenly leave your skin tone and younger. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this will be bicarbonate of soda. Alright, so baking soda and baking powder is actually different. Okay, so baking soda is actually the one we need for this treatment. Okay, so baking soda helps to exfoliate the skin. Using baking soda alongside with other natural ingredients would help to exfoliate the skin, leave the skin looking younger and radiant. Using baking soda would evenly leave your skin tone because it contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin, therefore removing pigmentations and blackheads. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be pure gram flour. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, I actually bought this from an herbal store, so you can actually get the number if you want and call and order for yours. That will be the fastest way. Okay, so pure gram flour helps to glow the skin, polish up the skin, remove pigmentations, and it helps to remove age spots, age related problems, and it's also ideal for an aging skin, okay, because it leaves your skin looking younger and radiant. So we're going to be using this to remove blackheads. Okay, it's going to be ideal for that, and it's also going to be so soothing and smoothing. Okay, so the very last ingredient we're going to be needing will be brown sugar. Okay, in this treatment you're recommended to use the brown sugar because it contains a smaller granite particles that helps to exfoliate dead skin cells on the skin, removing pigmentations, and it also helps to remove age spots. Okay, so using sugar on the skin would leave your skin youthful and radiant. Okay, so that's it. Now let's prepare all our ingredients together. So we're gonna be needing a bowl, and then we're gonna be turning in the brown sugar in it. This is approximately half tablespoon of the brown sugar. Then we're gonna be needing the yogurt, and I'm gonna be taking in 1 tablespoon. Alright, that is it. Now for the pure gram flour, we're gonna be taking half tablespoon of the pure gram flour. Now we're going to be needing same quantity of the bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Then we would have to turn that into the bowl. Okay, now we're going to be needing just a little bit of water to liquidify this whole thing. So I'm just going to be putting in just a little bit of water. Now you can put the water according to your preference, okay, not too much so that it won't get too liquid, and then you have to, you know, apply wisdom while putting in the water, or you can just mix it that way. It's still okay. Okay, now we'll have to mix this whole ingredients really well. So you mix really well so to work really good on the skin. And now you're still going to be having the particles of the sugar. It is ideal, okay, it is okay. Alright, for this treatment you're going to be needing a toothbrush. Okay, so you're going to you know, put the toothbrush into the treatment, and then you're just going to use it to scrub on your nose. Okay, so I'm going to be using my hand as an illustration. Okay, so you're just going to be putting there, and then you're just going to scrub it in a circular motion, just like that. Okay, so you scrub it, don't scrub it too hard so you don't bruise your skin. Now you scrub it in a circular motion, just like what you see me do right now. Okay, scrub it really well, because when you don't use a brush, the treatment is not going to penetrate deep and unclog the pores and remove the blackheads. Okay, so you scrub it and scrub it really well. Now when you scrub this thing and then you wash it off, like I tell you, your skin is just going to smooth. It's going to be very smooth because all the blackheads are going to be gone, right? Okay, so after which you scrub it, you have to, you know, leave this treatment on your face for a couple of minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. After that you can go wash it off, but make sure to scrub it really well, just like what I'm doing right now. Scrub your nose, your T-zone area where you have those blackheads. You scrub it really well. Okay, then you go wash it. Alright guys, so you can either store this treatment or you just use it and then you don't store it, because you're required to use this treatment like 4 times in a week, because when you scrub today you have to skip tomorrow and scrub again the next day, you know, skip the next day and scrub again. So that's how you're going to scrub it in a week. Like in just 1 week you are gonna be saying goodbye to blackheads, and you don't have to use your hands to be, you know, romancing and touching and pricking on your face, okay, and picking on your skin, because when you don't do that you are going to get the results to this treatment. Okay, and it's going to be so ideal. Now when you store it, it's just going to go too thick. Okay, so that's why you might not necessarily need to store it, and don't scrub every day. Okay, scrub at interval, you scrub and skip the next day, and you know, so forth. Basically guys, that is a very simple way you're going to scrub out, you know, all of those blackheads going on your face and whiteheads, and it's just going to be perfect. Okay, you're going to love the result afterwards. It's just going to leave your skin smooth, and it's going to unclog all of those stuff going on in your pores. Alright, so if you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. Alright, the link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.